Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. If p equal to 5b square minus b plus 1, q equal to 8b square plus 2b minus 2, and r equal to minus p square plus 3, find p minus q plus r. So p, q and r are different algebraic expressions. We have to find p minus q plus r. So we'll simply substitute the values of these expressions here. So 5b square minus b plus 1 minus 8b square plus 2b minus 2 plus minus b square plus 3. So this will be, let's open the brackets here, 5b square minus b plus 1 minus 8b square minus of plus minus 2b minus of minus plus 2 minus b square plus 3. Now let's get all the like terms together. So we have 5b square minus 8b square minus b square minus b minus 2b, and there are no more b terms. Then we have numerals, so plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. So we have 5b minus 8 minus 3b, 5b square minus 8b square, we have minus 3b square. So minus 3b square minus b square is minus 4b square. We have minus b minus 2b equal to minus 3b plus 6. So required expression p minus q plus r is minus 4b square minus 3b plus 6. Answer is option C.